Hi friends, this video shows how to prevent cross-site tracking in PS5 web browser. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to system. Under system, go down. Select web browser. So here you can see prevent cross-site tracking. By default this would be enabled. If we want to disable, we can disable here. Let me enable. Done. So this way we can enable or disable prevent cross-site tracking in PS5 web browser. We can also delete web browser search history or website data. We can delete cookies. We can enable or disable JavaScript. We can enable or disable cookies. So all these options are available here. You can try it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.